years, we've battled the communists from the Commonwealth, Massachusetts. Every 4 years, like locusts or World Cup soccer players, they come. Mike Dukakis, Paul Tsongas, John Kerry, Ted Kennedy, and don't even get me started on Barney Frank, high taxes, elite thinking, and left-leaning, snot-nosed, overpriced, and out-of-touch institutions of higher learning. The birthplace of gay marriage, the ACLU, and universal health care. Every 4 years, we gird ourselves for the battle, but now it is time to win the war. To truly stop our national nightmare that is Massachusetts, we must begin the final battle. Please join with us in the campaign to defeat Massachusetts. Yes, folks, step right up and stop this spewing wellhead of vile socialist sludge once and for all. If we get rid of Massachusetts, we solve all of our problems without further polluting the fine folks in the rest of the country. And look at how easy it would be. Please select one of these two excellent options. First, we expand the borders of the surrounding states, some of which have some excellent notions about lower taxes and lenient gun laws. Or we just dump the whole state into the Atlantic. Mitt Romney's already moved out, so we only really lose a couple of ice cream shops and miniature golf courses on the Cape. So please join us in defeating Massachusetts and saving America.